Eating Right Lasagna with meat sauce. What you'll need to prepare this meal: serving spoon, plate, knife, fork, and oven mitt. First step, locate the pull tab on the side of the box. Pull tab and remove meal tray. Using a fork, pierce the plastic film 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place the tray in the microwave. Set the cook timer for 5 minutes. Press start. Using an oven mitt, carefully remove the meal tray. Sit to let cool for 1 minute. Grasp the corner of the film and carefully remove from the meal tray. Carefully serve your lasagna on a plate.